Hey nerds, Todd Simmons coming back at you with a little Toddomation. This is the intro video for a new series that I'm starting that surrounds training. Training is important to network engineers, whether you're training in automation, whether you're training in networking, or whether you're training in how to automate networks. The biggest issue with that is typically equipment or resources in order to be able to do the training or work on the networks. But what if you could build your own Arista network topology anywhere, anytime, without any dedicated lab hardware or local virtualization? In this series, I'll show you exactly how to do that using GitHub Codespaces and Containerlab. The best part is we're going to mix automation in with it. We're going to automate creating these resources. We're going to be looking at shell scripting on how to get these items started. I'm going to provide you these scripts. So a couple of things that you are going to need for this series is you're going to need a GitHub account. Most probably have that. If you don't, go ahead and get that set up. That's pretty quick. In addition to your GitHub account, in order to be able to get the cEOS images from Arista, now they'll provide them to you. You don't have to buy them. There's no payment, but you do have to set up an account with the Arista platform. I'm going to show you how to do that, where to go for that. I'll provide a link down in the comments. And then once you get done with that, we've got the pieces and parts necessary to be able to start creating container labs. And that's kind of the secret sauce behind all of this is the Containerlab application that I'm going to install for you. We're going to show you how to do it via automation is what's going to run the cEOS Arista platforms, allowing you to build any size lab that you want. So really excited about it. Appreciate you being here. If you liking what you're seeing, and give me a like, give me a subscribe. I certainly appreciate that. Following videos to come, after we show you how to set up the Arista account, which would be next. If you have the Arista account, then you wouldn't have to do it, but you are going to need to get that cEOS. So you want to make sure that you go do that. Then we're going to create your first Containerlab topology. We're going to walk through the YAML files associated with that, running and managing your labs in Codespaces, and a lot more to come. So appreciate you watching and see you in the next video. Talk to y'all later, nerds. Bye.